So let's get going. We've got 2 minutes to explain what marketing analytics are, what you can use them for, and how you can improve them today. So what are marketing analytics? Think of them as your digital compass, right? Any marketing campaign you send or anything you post on social media, you will get a certain response from your audience. This response should be collected. Anything that they click on, anything that they view. What are they viewing the most? Are they sharing it with anyone? All that should be collected into one single platform that allows you to know exactly what your audience is interested in and where they're dropping off. So how exactly does it work? So your analytics platform will easily gather all this data and present it to you in a digestible way. Here's an example. On here, I can see that my content that I've sent to prospects was viewed on an average of 3 minutes and 30 seconds, a little less than last week. I can also see that there has been over 162 visits to my content, which is a lot more than last week. Great news. I can also compare this to the previous weeks or the previous days by looking at this simple chart. And on top of that, I know exactly who's interacting with my content, asking me questions, or even sharing my content. All this is available through the EasyUser dashboard. So that's how marketing analytics works, and that's how it presents you with valuable insights. So you want to improve your analytics and get valuable insights. Number one, you should check out a tool specifically for this, right? So the great thing about this tool, EasyUser, is you not only got analytics on the content you share, but you can also share everything from here. So you've got all your marketing materials organized in a safe place. And whenever you want to share things, instead of sending these dispersed attachments through email, you can send a single secure link to any prospect and put one or more pieces of content inside that link, for example, for investors, prospects, or even existing customers, right? So you send that secure link, no more attachments, and you can fully track exactly what's happening on there. So this is why it's such a great tool. And then you've got the analytics dashboard on here. And number two, if you really want to improve, you also want to take the insights from the analytics and actually start applying them, right? And if you ever want to try out EasyUser, you can check it out at easyuser.co. You'll be able to understand exactly what we do, how it's used by sales and marketing teams, and you'll be able to try out the platform yourself by clicking on our interactive demo. So feel free to try out a free plan and see how it goes and see if you can start improving your marketing journeys and analytics.